Hello and welcome to our video on skin whitening. In today's video, we'll be discussing the top 10 tips and tricks for achieving lighter, brighter, and more even-toned skin. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Use a sunscreen. Sun damage can cause hyperpigmentation and dark spots on the skin. Applying sunscreen regularly can prevent this and keep your skin looking young and healthy. Tip number 2. Exfoliate regularly. Exfoliating removes dead skin cells, revealing brighter and more even-toned skin. Use a gentle scrub once or twice a week to keep your skin smooth and glowing. Tip number 3. Use vitamin C. Vitamin C is a natural skin lightener and can help reduce the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Look for products with a high concentration of vitamin C or use a vitamin C serum daily. Tip number 4. Drink water. Drinking plenty of water helps keep your skin hydrated and can help prevent dullness and discoloration. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Tip number 5. Use a skin brightening cream. Skin brightening creams contain ingredients like kojic acid and hydroquinone, which can help lighten dark spots and even out skin tone. Use these creams regularly for best results. Tip number 6. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a diet rich in fruits and vegetables can help promote healthy, glowing skin. Foods like spinach, kale, and berries are particularly good for the skin. Tip number 7. Use a face mask. Face masks can help exfoliate, brighten, and moisturize the skin. Look for masks containing ingredients like turmeric, honey, and yogurt for best results. Tip number 8. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is important for skin health. Lack of sleep can cause dark circles and dullness. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Tip number 9. Use a skin lightening soap. Skin lightening soaps can help lighten the skin and even out skin tone. Look for soaps containing natural ingredients like papaya and glutathione. Tip number 10. Seek professional help. If you have severe hyperpigmentation or dark spots, consider seeking professional help. Treatments like chemical peels and laser therapy can help even out skin tone and lighten dark spots. There you have it, the top 10 tips and tricks for achieving lighter, brighter, and more even-toned skin. Remember to stay consistent with your skincare routine. Drink plenty of water, eat a healthy diet, and get enough sleep for best results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.